Hello, welcome to the BCC Coding Series. Today we're going to explore a computational idea called tiling. And the idea goes like this. We're going to create some kind of a Lego structure, and then we're going to create copies of that and put it in various places on a base plate, various locations. We're still coding at level 1, but this idea is starting to push the boundaries of the stuff that we've learned so far. So to get better at this, to do more complicated tilings, we're going to actually have to learn new things about coding. And that will be we'll learn some of those in level 2. All right, so before we get started, let's do a little bit of analysis. We're going to call this location, we're going to consider this location to be the origin, 0, 0. And we have the width here is going to be 4. 4 plus 1 is 9. And the depth is also going to be 9, so we need a 9 by 9 square. Okay, let's get started. So first, our first flag. Put 2D 4 by 2 white at location 0, 0. And then we're going to put a red brick right above that. So this is going to be at location 2, 0. Okay, so let's run this and see how our flag looks. Okay, so far, so good. So now we want to make a copy of this flag and place it to the right of it. So copy, I'm going to just cut and paste this. But I'm going to have to change the coordinates. And this is where we start having problems. So the coordinate is going to be 5 positions to the right of the original flag. Okay, try running this again. All right, very good. So now our next flag we're going to put up here. I mean, we could choose here too, but I'm going to put it up here. So this is going to be, and since it's symmetrical, since this is a square shape, our next position is going to be back 5 and across 5. So this is going to be plus 5, and this is going to be this position plus 5. To make it obvious, I suppose I could write it like this. No. I'll write it like this. Okay, let's run it again. See how our flags are turning out. Good. All right, and now we have our last position for the flag, for our flag. And that will be at this value of x and at this value of z. So we have these values that I've copied down. Okay, so this is our tiling where we have created 4 copies of the flag of Indonesia. We've put in the plane. Now imagine if we had started out with a complicated structure like this and we called this our original Lego artifact. And now we wanted to make 4 of those. So then we'd have 16 of these little mini flags in our result. And could we do it again after that? And how can we computationally express those ideas? So that's what we're going to be starting to play with in a little bit. But it's something to think about. And also another thing to notice here is that the flag, the Lego artifact that we built, is always the same. The only thing that changes are the locations, and they change in a very regular way. They change according to a very specific pattern. And it's trying to understand that pattern that we're going to also need to do to be able to generalize this idea. Okay, so let's go back to our flag. And I think that pretty much concludes this video. So let's go and blow this up. Find a good background. I want to have the flag. Maybe here. I always like space. Or the sky. Sky's pretty good too. I'll do that. Turn the volume up a little bit. All right. And that, my friends, is the reward for a job well done. Thank you all for tuning in, and we will see you next time.